Speak English with confidence. Hi, and welcome back to Learn English in 30 Days. In today's lesson, we're focusing on one of the biggest challenges for English learners: speaking English with confidence. Speaking English fluently can feel intimidating, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and exercises to help you speak without fear. Let's get started. Why confidence matters. When you speak English with confidence, people will focus on what you're saying, not on how you're saying it. Confidence also helps you stay motivated and makes learning English an enjoyable journey. Many people think they need to speak perfectly, but here's the truth. Mistakes are part of the process. Every mistake teaches you something new. Overcoming fear of mistakes. Imagine this. You're in a cafe and want to order a coffee in English. You hesitate because you're unsure of the right words. But what if you just try? Even if your sentence isn't perfect, the person listening will likely understand and appreciate your effort. Mistakes are stepping stones to success. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Tips to speak English confidently. Speak out loud. Find a quiet place and practice speaking out loud. Read simple sentences, stories, or even this script. Speaking out loud trains your mouth to form English sounds naturally. Start small. Begin with short sentences like, I want water. Where is the bus stop? Can I have the menu, please? Practice with a friend. If you have a friend who's also learning English, practice together. Take turns asking and answering questions. Record yourself. Use your phone to record yourself speaking. Listen to the recording and identify areas to improve. Don't be too critical. This is just for practice. Daily speaking exercise. Exercise. Mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or your surroundings. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I made coffee and read a book. This exercise builds your confidence and helps you focus on pronunciation. Example, scenario, ordering food. Let's practice with a common situation. Ordering food at a restaurant. Hello, can I get a cheese sandwich and a cup of tea? How much is it? Try saying these lines out loud. Add your own variations like ordering pizza or asking for a recommendation. Alex's story, gaining confidence. Let me tell you about Alex, who used to avoid speaking English because he was afraid of being laughed at. Alex worked in a hotel where many guests spoke English, and he wanted to communicate better with them. One day, a guest asked Alex for directions to a nearby cafe. Nervously, Alex replied, "Go straight and left." Although his sentence wasn't perfect, the guest smiled and said, "Thank you." This small moment gave Alex the confidence to try again. Alex started practicing at home by talking to himself in English. He also watched English movies and repeated lines from the characters. Gradually, he became more comfortable speaking with guests. Now, Alex confidently helps tourists and even enjoys casual conversations with them. His story shows that small efforts lead to big improvements. The role of listening in speaking. Listening is the foundation of speaking. When you listen to native speakers, you learn correct pronunciation, sentence structure, and common phrases. Try repeating phrases you hear in movies, podcasts, or YouTube videos. This technique, called shadowing, is a powerful way to improve your speaking skills. Practice makes progress. Speaking English fluently is like learning to ride a bike. At first, it feels challenging, but with regular practice, it becomes second nature. Don't rush. Take one step at a time. Focus on progress, not perfection. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, speaking with confidence takes time and practice, but every word you speak gets you closer to fluency. If you're enjoying this Learn English in 30 Days series, check out the previous lessons on my channel. If you want to learn English in 30 days, don't miss the upcoming videos, where I'll share the complete strategy and tips for this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Let's continue this journey together.